So we've been getting a lot of emails, DMs, comments on a post asking what's included in the Structureless Trading Bootcamp. So you're going to learn our trading system called R2F, right? And the personal model that comes with that called CR7. The first 2 days, it's going to cover everything you need to know about the system from the very beginning, from when a candlestick forms to everything else that occurs, whether price is going up, whether price is going down, or whether we are in a range. So after we get through the system component, we are going to do 2 days of live trading, live execution. We're going to show you exactly how to get in, where to place your stop loss, what to target, and multiple entries that show itself along the way of wherever it is that our system is leading us on that day and on that asset. But before that, what we're going to do is 1 day of live backtesting. A lot of people have struggles with backtesting, primarily because they do not know how to backtest. Most people backtest entries, and it's not entries that you look for in backtesting. Entries are supposed to be in a live market for you to develop or learn or gain live experience. But backtesting should be you becoming familiar with your system and the ins and outs of when to engage and when not to engage. So we're going to cover an entire session on how to properly backtest, which should supercharge not only your live trading, but your experience in learning to trust the model as well. Then we're going to have a bonus Q&A day. That bonus Q&A session, what we're going to do with that is take all the questions that you may have. Every participant that's there, we're going to take all the questions that you have and we'll answer them one by one. We'll go through each part of it and explain to you exactly what it is that you're looking for, whether it's about the course, whether it's about execution, whether it's about risk management. No matter what it is, we're going to try to get through each and every question. And if we do not get through all of the questions, you don't have to worry about that, because you will gain exclusive access to the Charters Anonymous mentorship. All tiers within the bootcamp will have access to that. And you will also be able to ask plenty of questions, go through material, the learning material, the live streams that we've done in the past, and you'll be able to get all your questions answered. Or you can personally ask us in the developing traders section or during the live streams that you get to be a part of when you join the community. The community has been closed for some time. We do not leave it open. We do not believe that a trading community should be like a hotel where people just come and go. We believe that everyone there is there for a reason. They're there for growth. And if there's so many distractions coming in and out, it stifles or causes issues in terms of the growth of every member that's there due to the frequent distractions. So we open every now and again, and this is one of those opportunities where we're not necessarily opening, but the people who do join the boot camp, they'll have exclusive access to it. And then the elite tier, right? There's a one-on-one that I'll be doing personally where we go through an hour of just curating a trading plan, a risk management plan, answering your questions about maybe the things you have not understood within the boot camp or some of the things you may not have understood within the mentorship. This will be scheduled at a later date so you can take in all the information that you need. You can learn all the things that are from the very foundational aspect of the system, and then get even deeper insights into the information that you may be seeking. So that one-on-one, that's exclusively for the elite tier. And you can contact support at chartersanonymous.com. You can contact them and they'll let you know how to join that tier. It's very limited. We're not accepting just everybody and anybody, right? So make sure that you contact Charters Anonymous to reserve your spot. But that's what's included in the entire boot camp. In the mentorship, you will gain access to all the things that are included in the mentorship, like the indicator. Everyone's probably wondering when they're going to get access to that. Currently, it is only offered to those who are in the mentorship, and it will be released at a later date. But you will gain access to our indicator that we've created. It's exclusive access to an early version of it. That's included in the mentorship, not in the bootcamp. in the mentorship. So when you join the bootcamp, you're going to learn a mechanical system that is fully optimized for the use of the indicator. But the indicator belongs to the Charters Anonymous mentorship, which you are gaining access to on a free trial, but the indicator does not belong to the bootcamp itself. It is a product of Charters Anonymous currently. So when you join, you will get access when you join the Charters Anonymous Discord to the indicator while you have already learned and gained insight in the system that's taught in the bootcamp. So if you have any other questions, just contact support@chartersanonymous.com and they will get to all of the questions that you have and all the concerns that you may have in regards to payment, whether it's what happens after you pay and everything else included in the bootcamp. They'll go into detail with that. So I'm excited for all 5 and potentially 7 days to be able to spend with you. So I hope you are ready to show up, learn accountability, because accountability leads to profitability, learn discipline, risk management, psychology, and all the different things that you will encounter in this bootcamp to set you up for success in your trading journey. See you guys soon.